Welcome to Section 3 of our Instagram Ads video training. In this section, we'll talk about boosting your posts, increasing brand awareness, increasing your reach, sending people to a destination on or off Facebook, getting installs of your app, getting video views, increasing conversions on your website, and promoting a product catalog. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. Boosting your posts. First of all, go to www.facebook.com/ads/manager/creation. In the awareness list, click on Boost Your Posts. With this objective, you'll get more people to see and engage with your post or page, which in this case is your Instagram account. Engagement can include comments, shares, likes, event responses, and offer claims. Give your campaign a name and click on Continue. In the ad set, you have to define your audience, budget, and schedule. The audience is who you want to target to see your ads. Use a saved audience, or if you don't have it, create a new audience. Add the locations. You can select from everyone in this location, people who live in this location, people recently in this location, or people traveling in this location. Add their age, gender, and languages. Use detailed targeting to include or exclude people from this audience. Use connections if you want to add different connection types. This can be Facebook pages, apps, and events. Placements is where you choose where your ad will be shown. Click on Edit Placement in Platforms and select only Instagram. In Advanced Options, you can specify mobile devices and operating systems. In Budget and Schedule, define how much you'd like to spend and when you'd like your ads to appear. In Budget, select if you want to use a daily budget or a lifetime budget and the amount. In Schedule, select if you will run your ad set continuously starting today or set a start and end date. Click on Show Advanced Options and customize the optimization for ad delivery. Select from post engagement, impressions, or daily unique reach. Also, edit your bid amount, when you get charged, ad scheduling, and delivery type. On the right, you'll see the audience definition and estimated daily reach. Once you finish, give your ad set a name and click on Continue. Now you have to create your ad. Select from Media, Text, or Links to create one or multiple ads. For format, you have 4 options: single image, single video, slideshow, and canvas. Read the description of each one and use what you want. I'll choose single image. You can create up to 6 ads at once by uploading multiple images using the recommended image specs. You can also add an Instagram account if you want, but it's not necessary in order to run Instagram ads. You can connect a Facebook page to represent your sponsored advertising instead. Here you can also add some text related to your ad. On your right, you'll see the ad preview. Finally, click on Place Order.